Hi, mommies. This is Tanya, Noor's mom. So, today I'm going to be speaking about how to give medicines to your baby in an easy manner. So, we all know that sometime or the other in a baby's life, we have to give them medicines, be it after vaccinations or be it they have a cold or a cough. So, in all these situations, we need to give medicines to our babies. So, not all babies take medicines very easily. Actually, I hardly know any babies who would enjoy taking all kinds of medicines. So, how can we make this process easier for them? So, I will be sharing some 4-5 products with you which I have tried with Noor, and you can also try all of them out and see which one works the best for your baby. So, the first medicine that your doctor gives you when your baby is born are the vitamin D3 drops. So initially it was very troublesome for me to give that 1 ml of drop every day to Noor. So what I started doing was I started simply adding those vitamin D3 drops to her bottle milk. So that is a very easy way. So if your baby has problem in having those vitamin D drops, you can easily mix them in the milk. And I've checked with pediatricians, it is absolutely okay to do. In fact, you can even add any other medicines in the milk like for fever, cough, cold if your baby is not willing to take them. But one disclaimer here that you have to then ensure that your baby drinks the entire milk and doesn't leave anything out. So this is the easiest ways to add them to your milk. Now, what is the second thing that you can do? Second is this. This is a medicine dispenser. So this is the medicine dispenser from Bee Baby that I was using. So again, you can add a little milk in this and add the medicine and then give it to your baby if you want to give it in a more concentrated form, and if you're not sure the baby is going to drink the whole bottle or not. Or you can even give the medicine directly here. So the baby will consider this as a normal bottle nipple and have it. So I was using this very happily till Noor was around 4 or 5 months old. But after that, she became smart and she understood that this meant medicine. So she started throwing this away. So then I had to figure out more ways to feed her medicines. Then I just started using the dropper directly. So this is a dropper from any of the medicines that gets available. So I started using this directly. So I directly used to just put this in the medicine bottle and put it in her mouth. But the problem with this is that these droppers are usually till 1 ml or so. And there are certain medicines that you need to give more of, like 1.5, 2 ml, even some 5 ml. So, again and again dropping this in the bottle distracting her, and also at the same time making her aware that this is medicine and not a treat. So then for those kind of medicines, this didn't work for me. Then what I did was I bought this. So this is a medicine dropper by Mimi. So I think it's a lovely thing and you all should have this. So it has a capacity of 3 ml. So this really works well if you have to give medicines in greater quantity. And so it's just not for medicines in greater quantity, but it also has smaller dosages like 0.5 ml, 1 ml. So this works very well. So this actually can solve all your medicine feeding problems, this dropper. So this I think you all should buy. And if your baby doesn't like to be fed by a dropper, there are also options of this syringe kind of a medicine dispenser. So it's simple, you just put the medicine here. This is a cap, you just remove this and you put this here, and then you get the medicine out and then simply inject it in the baby's mouth. So this is also a good option for those babies who don't like the dropper. So these are all the medicine dispensers that are available in the market. So you will also have to do a trial and error with your baby and see what your baby likes and which medicine dispenser suits your baby's needs as per their age. So I will be linking all of these medicines dispensers below in the description. You can check them out and buy them if you like them. You can also find them in my Amazon store, for which the link you can find in the bio. So this was all about giving medicines to your babies. I hope this video was helpful. Please keep writing and giving me suggestions for topics for my next video. So take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.